how to enable hardware acceleration in Chrome on Windows. This tutorial shows you how to turn on the setting for smoother and faster browsing performance. First, open the Chrome browser on your Windows PC. After that, click on the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu bar. From there, click on Settings to open the Chrome settings page. At this point, scroll down and click on System from the left side menu. In the next step, look for the Use Hardware Acceleration When Available option and toggle it on. Following this, once you toggle it on, a relaunch button will appear next to it. Click on it to restart Chrome and apply the changes. Once done, Chrome will relaunch automatically and hardware acceleration will now be active, making your browser run noticeably smoother, especially when watching videos or running graphics-heavy websites. Finally, keep in mind that on some older PCs, enabling hardware acceleration can occasionally cause display issues. If you notice anything unusual, you can always come back to the same setting and toggle it back off. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable hardware acceleration in Chrome on your PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.